morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, I'm actually starting the vlog. I'm tired, bro. Because I messaged me so early. Yo, we're legit at the western part of Jamaica. And I mean western, like very far out Jamaica. As in, trust me. Got Christoph over here. Oh crap, it's over. It's too bright.
Too bright?
Yeah, I don't know. Morning overcast, dog.
Is it adjusted now?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, great. Good morning, guys. I'm here. I just flew the drone this morning. You know, not so good, but we're gonna wait till like 11, 12 o'clock sun. When the sun is shining on the building from above, we should be good. But yeah, we're there. We'll enjoy ourselves while we work. Take a swim. See me?
Does this work though? Does this actually work? I don't think it's work.
It is work, okay? It is work. It's a lot of work and editing, okay? Don't worry, man.
Alright, so the western part of Jamaica. This is like the tip of Jamaica, really. Pre the compass here. Show you exactly how far am I there. So basically them say the sun always set. I'm just okay, yeah, so the sun always set that side. Yep, the sun always set that side. Tell me now, this is just freaking amazing. So the sun always set that side, and I don't know what. Oh yeah, so this is the hotel that I was staying at. It's very nice, very cool. You get me? Yo, the place just yeah. They're going to the water yesterday, now, but I realized that I just shot some videos just for vertical mode. But oh, I have the two models I'm coming right now. Just enjoy life, you know, as it is. So enjoy the vibe and everything.
Look at that. One day this is gonna be mine. Welcome to my beautiful hotel. Of course, that's my beachfront right there on the side. Just in case you thieves try me, I'm coming. Did you eat already? You're
No,
so close,
not yet.
Pedro.
You know they're close, like legit. I'm not close to you. I'm legit far. I'm legit far.
Oh, it's so nice.
I'm legit far.
Pedro.
How you going to see if you're going to be in front of the camera?
Okay, let's do a little OOTD of the day.
Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning. Today we are shooting with Pedrito. What are we doing, Pedro?
All right, so it's
Where are we, Pedro?
Please don't question me like that. Don't put me on the spot.
We are at Samsara in Negril, and it's really pretty, as you can see. The crowd goes wild. We're here with Aaron and Christoph, and we're gonna get some fucking fire content with Misskellykel. Am I allowed to curse on each other?
That's fine. I can always beep it out. I can always beep it out. Oh shit! Look at the sun glow right now. Looks nice on your skin. Oh, yeah, look really nice on your skin.
From that angle? From this angle?
Yeah, because it's actually a glow from this side and then just come straight on your skin. This is nice. Basically.
And we'll come out.
The sun is out, so I can't believe that. Yo, I started the video, but I realized that the audio was low. It was on 4. I hate myself for that. Need to get something to eat. I wonder what's for breakfast. What's for breakfast? Yeah. It's a beautiful morning. Beautiful, beautiful morning. The sun is out and the sun is about to touch my skin right now. Yeah, feel that glow.
Look at that melanin. I told Pedro's vlog already.
Oh, I saw his vlog.
Yes.
So I don't get the same attention.
Alright, I'm gonna give you the special treatment.
We're at Samsara today and we are shooting with Christoph, Pedro, and Aaron, but Aaron's missing. Where is Aaron?
Don't know.
Is he awake?
Yeah. He's awake.
Taking a shit again.
Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
But yeah, guys, look out for some fire fucking content.
Yo, this girl been cursing her, bro. Like, I have to beep this out again, you know, from.
Oh my god, I'm so
Yo,
sorry.
Jenny, do you kiss your mom with that mouth or something? It's like,
Right, just do the beep, 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 okay?
beep, 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 beep.
It's okay. We say a little, you know, curse words every now and then.
Yo, some of the record, the mic did low.
Yeah, you got the mic?
Yeah, but just recheck and get it.
Stabilizer, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Got Christoph here. Oh, you learning shit. That's good.
Yeah.
Look at you cursing on your...
I mean,
I'll pick her up.
okay, we
bring
have
her
the
back to
videographer
Negril,
here.
touch the
She's working. Oh, she just.
Christoph is not risking it right now.
I wish I was just vlogging. Tell me.
5.
Yeah, but probably because daddy don't have his Jamaican number that's on WhatsApp. Thank you, Lord, for this food.
Drop it quick though.
Yo.
Yo, there's a sound for that, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Bro, no
I
food
know.
that-
So,
Oh, eating that and I eat.
not here on you.
Just them dumpling first.
Yeah, man, isn't me the money I shake it up.
Yo, the same audio. Wait, when we say use,
You
I
good?
can use more on the audio then.
Which one, the dog one?
No, with the one with the food.
Eating, right?
Yeah, more I use it. Right, that's it. When I use it.
He fucking that shit up. Oh God! Stop, y'all are being mean. Eat, ugly.
Come on.
Is it good?
It's salty.
Yo, John breakfast is nice a while ago, man. I lie. Belly full. So I go next door over to this beautiful cottage area. This is a part of this property. Well, not a part of the property, but that is associated with this property. So yeah, well, I'll go next door. Try to take the mirror.
You see this?
No, this not look cool.
I wanted these. I have a dress.
But do you sure I get the leaf?
They're here. I just have to chop them.
Yeah, chop up the tree.
What? I can't chop the tree. Somebody's gonna tell me about my life. I do it.
Because the trees then won't grow back that leaf. If you look at it, it's just a certain amount of leaves, like 6. So maybe
So if I cut it down, I will grow another tree.
It's not like that. Not that easy.
It is.
Not that simple.
I'm gonna just, you know.
So this up the people in the aesthetic after them plant a nice tree in them yard. You want to cut it down? You want to cut it down?
Look at this one that's about to die. I can take that.
You just want to pop it off.
Yeah.
That's not the same one you want.
It's not,
It's
but
not
I-
it won't get the same effect.
But I'm gonna still cut it.
Okay. So I go next door to do this video. Create some content, eh?
Because this little prairie dog thinks he's everything. You gotta put your ass in place. What's up?
Oh god, the sun is so. Yo, the weather just on and off. Give yourself some more light.
Her name is Sabrina?
Yeah, the weather just on and off. I don't know why the weather's on and off.
Day one, let's get it.
Keep it moving, keep it moving.
We're just crossing?
Wait, you guys know where it is?
Very nice though. Yo, pre the old place, eh? What a little old bamboo bathroom.
Shower?
Yeah, bamboo shower.
Like, all of us like one house.
Why didn't you do it like that? Me cussing out Aaron.
Again.
Again.
On camera.
Yes.
Jeez.
We could have had one whole
You're tired.
together.
Christoph right here.
Morning.
No, it's all like I could and say that morning.
Don't get that.
Yeah, that laugh
nasty
this, that laugh
on
this,
camera.
striking like good morning.
Because them I leave Friday and we just take the room.
No, we should have the night here so we can all be together. Family. What Popcorn say?
Okay. The other one you wanted?
No, I was still gonna chop it.
That's funny. I'm expecting.
Can we go in the hammock?
Yeah.
We're definitely using the hammock.
Is someone staying there?
No, I'm not over here.
She's gonna give us
Them said to move everybody from over here to the other side.
perfect.
Oh, it's for a 2-bedroom
It's a 2-bedroom.
with 3 beds.
You guys want to stay in our cottage?
I feel so awkward when Pedro puts that camera in my face.
Why?
I don't know what to say to them.
You know, for something just look pretty.
She like the vlog.
Oh, fucking hell.
God no, yo guys, I'm sorry. She just always a
I'm
curse.
so sorry.
Just always a curse.
I hope my
There's
mom
children
doesn't
watching
see
this.
this. Wait, we're moving?
Well, so for me, like most of my videos are going to be for Instagram Reels. So yeah, so most of my videos are for Instagram Reels. So like, yeah, that's where I post most of these cinematic type of vibe. But I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do.
I'm so sorry, Samsara, if you're seeing
Me, I'm fine.
The HD60. HD
doing what he's using.
Looking up some arrivals while I'm on stock. There. I'm ready to jump in the water. Me with my little blue aquatic self. I need to get some little pictures in with these orange umbrellas. I get the orange hat too, you know. We'll see. She's matching me right now because she knows what's gonna go on.
Yo, the color here nice on you, I swear.
I love orange on my skin.
Me too.
Yo, the color
We'll
here
get our pictures
nice.
in today, right?
Woohoo.
You and me. Say you want to take a picture, everybody else but me. But me.
You hear that, bro?
Yo, she just don't want to take no picture of me but with everybody else.
No, for
Oh, Sharky's just followed me. Aww. Give me free food.
Give me
Is it free food?
Yeah, man.
Too damn expensive.
I hope them watch this.
Oh gosh, no. Sharky's, I do
Delayed.
appreciate your
Almost
business.
this one.
What's around you?
Yeah, these rednecks.
You call redneck my youth?
Bro, got some fuck shots now.
These people on them
Brother,
language.
I'm sorry. We got some really amazing shots, you know?
Amazing fucking
Amazing.
shots.
Sorry, Pedro.
Be a language this girl ever cursed no man vlog.
Let me just turn this around. You see?
So you do close up?
So fancy, huh? Oh, that. No.
Alright, so we're on the shot at the wrong space. Okay, it's good now. Alright, so we're going to do a shoot, right?
It's my first official shoot.
It's man's first official shoot. It's his first official shoot.
With
Cool.
Bwoy Pedro.
Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how I do these type of shoots. Cool. Alright, so come back into that room here. Normally, I have all the shots them on my iPod, right? So I have all the shots them here, concepts, right? So I got them off Pinterest. So this is how I normally do it when it comes on to shooting. So Pinterest is like my main place for shooting stuff, right? So I'm gonna do some pictures right now and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Woo. What's up, girl? You
What's
good?
up, baby?
You good?
Take me out to dinner.
Okay.
No, you're supposed to say, hey, yo. You don't know the TikTok with Joe Byron?
Which one not? Take me out to dinner and then what? What
And then he says, hey, yo. Pedro, you're always so close. They're gonna see all my flaws. Guy that was standing right here with the kid.
It's pretty decent. So he had a rollie, and then he had a shell as a necklace. That's what I'm talking about.
He's someone, man. Can I see him doing work in the switch, you know, I heard that.
He's very...
Yeah.
We're done now, finally. Negril Samsara Hotel. It's been an exhausting day, but it was fun as hell, you know. With all these peeps right here. These are great people here, bro. All the way.
PG-13, okay?
Yo.
What am I supposed to say? This is a great experience. Nice to collab with other creators, and I hope Samsara enjoys all of our content.
Watch them two little detail. Yeah.
You know, fighting.
So you say, where you say what do you think about the place?
Bro, it's nice. It's really nice. I'm going to recommend it. It's a wide lens, but I know the space. Yeah, you know, I'm going to recommend it to anyone.
Alright, Mir, where you was say? Mir, where you was say?
Samsara was fun. It's really pretty. You guys should check it out.
I can't wait to post these content where some of them post already.
Jana.
Is it me? Oh crap, autofocus, not touch me. Yeah, alright guys, so that's it. That's it.
It's a wrap.
Yo, that's a wrap. I'm not lie. I'll see you guys in another video. I don't know when, I don't know where, but peace.